Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this REVO, that's R-E-V-O, modernized cupping machine here. Dynamic suction technology, powerful red light, nerve calm heat, and adjustable levels of intensity. Easy to use. So let's see here how we use this. Opening it up, you have a charging cord, USB-C type, and the device itself. Pull it out. This is really cool. Now, I've been cupped before, and I felt like, I think it helped. It's my opinion though. It comes with some instructions here. So it has your red light settings, suction settings, on off button right here in the front. Nice small form factor. Whoop. And so it says glide tube for use in mode 1. So this is a glide tube. But anyways, you just place it down there, turn it on. Man, that is really strong. Nice bright red light. You have your different settings here from no red light. So you have your time settings, your time or intensity settings on the right, on off button obviously, and then the top you have your different light settings. Really, really cool device. Just hold down that power button for a few seconds and it turns off. Was sent to us for review.